Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I was just about to, well, let me quit. I wasn't just about to, I did something. And I said, let me record it because I haven't recorded a video and posted it in a while. You may remember my December daily kits, and this is how they look. And to me, they were always a little bit too plain. So I decided to make some tags to go on them. And here's one of the tags that I decided to do. And this is just using a Dollar Tree poinsettia, the little fake flowers. And I just took it apart. That was that one. And here's one with the pine cone. And what I used was this die right here, which is for the keychains. And I used my vintage and cut it out, so I have several right here. Let me see, where are these things right here? See, here are some that I've already taken apart. I pulled the stem out, all of that. And let me put this back here. What I'm just going to do is finish taking it apart. Do I have my scissors available? See, that's what I don't like. I'm down here. I'm sitting on my floor. And I thought my scissors were right here. And they are. They're just under my leg. So I'm going to go ahead on and finish taking this apart. And I got my glue gun heating up. I hope it's hot. And I'm just going to cut this as close to the base as I can without cutting this little part out because I don't want it to be in pieces. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and I'm going to take one of my cutouts here, one of my die cuts, and I'm just going to put it together like so. And it really doesn't have to be perfect because the flour is going to cover it up anyway. So my hot glue gun smells hot, and this is that thing from, I got it Tuesday morning a while ago. So in the middle, I'm just going to put a little hot glue, and I'm gonna start with the greenery first. I probably should have cut that down a little bit more. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that a little bit more. Oh, you just take it off. How about that? Huh? So just pull that off. And I'm going to stick that down. It's still a little warm down there. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to take the red one. I'll put a little bit more hot glue down. And I'm going to put this big red one down. And I'm just stacking them back like I took them apart. And I'm sure you don't have to use as much glue as I'm using. But hey, it is what it is for me. I just want to get it done and out the way. And I'm actually going to put like a nice little glump right here. Because I want this to stand up. Like that. There we go. Remove the little spider webs. I think that was fairly easy, don't you? We'll do one more. Let's see. Here we go. I'll grab this one and this one. And let's get a lighter colored one. Let's use this one. That's a pretty piece of paper. I'm going to fold it. And I hope this glue ain't... Let me put this up because I don't want it to drop out on the carpet. I'm sitting on the floor. So I'm just going to pull this one apart. Again. Take these pieces off. Like so. Okay. Got the 2 pieces here. Got one green piece, and I'm gonna cut this down to almost this. I don't want it to come I don't want to cut it into like little pieces. Just want one big piece. So let's start with the green. Little dab in the middle. This is that time those silicone fingertip things in Dollar Tree would probably come in handy. Put a little bit more glue here. I'm going to put the big red one. A little bit more glue. I'm going to put the little red one. And put me a kind of like a biggie dab here. And we're going to plop this right in the center because I want it to stand. There we go. Now let me put these two out of the way because you know I've already done some. So let's take this one. We're going to take this one. And I got this right here. This is called Holiday Maker's Holiday. And does it have anything on it? No. But anyway, this was the cording that was in it. Let me just bring them all. They probably can see them better if I got them all. This is the cording. I went on and cut each one out at 10 inches. So I'm going to take this, put this here, like so. Let me move this out the way a little bit. And don't y'all talk about my floor. My floor is a mess. Okay. Right here. So I'm just going to tie it here. And nothing special about this tie, this knot. Nothing special at all. I just want to get it on here. Okay. And now that it's on here, I'm going to put a little hot glue right here in the center and close it down. And you could use whatever adhesive you really want right here. I'm just using the hot glue because it's already hot and it's right here and I ain't got to do too much to it. There we go. Push that down. And now I think that looks a whole lot better. And even if you wanted to, you could put a white piece back here and have a to and a from. But I'm hoping that people actually use these December dailies now. So, you know, with a friend, a couple of teenagers get with their friends. Yeah, I think that'll be too cute right there. I think now that makes this an awesome looking gift, I think. Okay, guys, that is it. I'm going to go ahead on and put the rest of them on. I'm going to put the rest of them on and go ahead on and make this one, this project done and finished. All right, guys. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs.